I took my little 2022 GR86 to a very nice Cars and Coffee to meet up with some really nice people like Ricky and Scott to see some really cool cars. And I mean, yeah, pretty cool and interesting, and some nice trucks as well. So let's mosey on into this video and see what's going on. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Wake up to Cars and Coffee, Greenville, Texas. You can find them on Facebook. They hold their Cars and Coffee first Saturday of every month. So let's look around at, well, some of the nice cars that showed and meet up with some of the people and begin with Scott Singleton. Now, Scott's got this nice old pickup truck, puts it into a lot of car shows. He is the organizer of the Sulphur Springs Cars and Coffee that's held every month also. And Russell Gray, he is a fantastic guy to meet up with, has this old pickup truck, and he is all over the place in Greenville, as well as other car shows. Now, in the firefighter shirt, this is a new acquaintance to me. He owns, a really nice Mustang, GT 350, very nice. Cool guy. I did not catch the name of the gentleman drinking the coffee next to Russell, but this is his really cool Triumph. So let's take a quick gander at this, why don't we? This is Randy Blackshears' beautiful blue Camaro. He is the gentleman in the white shirt walking up to Ricky. This fine chevelle is owned by Ricky Blackshear, the organizer of Wesley Street Cruisers. You can also find them on Facebook. A couple of Jeeps did show up, which was very nice. Very cool people, very happy to see them. Here is a couple of pictures of this nice white Jeep I've got in prior Greenville videos as well. This wonderful Impala convertible has been extensively restored, painstakingly restored. Still has a ways to go, but it is an enjoyable sight to see. To bring some loving here today. From one red car to another, let's sit with Russell Gray and take a look at, what? A Zimmer. The Quicksilver Zimmer. This is a Fiero-based car, of which is, well, lengthened quite a bit up front and fairly well modified all over to accommodate this huge amount of chrome and just Cadillac styling. Or maybe that's Pontiac, but the front end is pretty cool with the pop-up headlights and a pretty good bit of trunk space. It does actually drive. I don't know if it's got much get up and go with all that hardware on there, but that little Fiero engine is just percolating away.
See you next time, brother. Have a good rest of the day.
Now here is a 79 Corvette. This dude bought this at an estate sale for next to nothing. I think he said $6,000, but it is a survivor car. Extremely little done to this. And he is himself not really worked on it. He hadn't had it for long enough, but white on red, this is a really, really nice car. Enjoyed looking it over. Incoming is a Chevy Malibu. I am not certain that I have seen this car through Greenville, but it was really, really nice. So I'm going to end this with some pictures of this car. I think you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching this Road Odyssey video. There is a little bit more to end with, so don't go away too quick. But if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Thank you. Hey, they're all nice from 25 feet away, right?
Yeah.
I got it. Thank you so much.